Carl Zimmer's She Has Her Mother's Laugh is an expansive and engaging exploration of the human genome, its complexities, and the profound ways in which it shapes our lives. The book delves into the history of genetics, from the early work of Gregor Mendel and Thomas Hunt Morgan to the modern era of genomics and CRISPR technology. Zimmer expertly weaves together scientific discoveries, personal stories, and philosophical musings to create a rich tapestry that illuminates the beauty and mystery of heredity. One of the central themes of the book is the concept of variation within the genome. Zimmer explains that while genes code for specific traits, they can exist in different versions, or alleles, which can lead to variations in those traits. This variation is the raw material for evolution, as natural selection operates on these differences to favor traits that enhance survival and reproduction. The book highlights the importance of understanding this variation in order to fully comprehend human health and disease. A significant portion of the book is devoted to the study of single gene disorders, such as sickle cell anemia and Tay-Sachs disease. These disorders result from mutations in specific genes that disrupt their normal function, leading to severe health problems. Zimmer discusses the history of these diseases, including the efforts of scientists like Haldane and Beadle to identify the genetic basis of inheritance. He also explores the ethical implications of genetic testing and screening for these disorders, as well as the development of gene therapy as a potential treatment option. The book also delves into the complexities of multigene disorders, such as breast and ovarian cancer, which result from mutations in multiple genes working in concert. Zimmer explains how these disorders can be inherited in different patterns, including autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, and X-linked patterns. He discusses the importance of understanding these patterns for predicting disease risk and developing targeted prevention strategies. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to the study of complex traits, such as height, intelligence, and personality. Zimmer explains that these traits are influenced by many genes working together, often in combination with environmental factors. He discusses the challenges of identifying and studying these genes, as well as the role of epigenetics in regulating their expression. The book also explores the ethical implications of using genetic information to predict complex traits, such as the potential for discrimination in employment and insurance. Throughout the book, Zimmer also touches on the role of non-coding DNA in shaping the genome. While much of the DNA sequence does not code for proteins, it plays a critical role in regulating gene expression and maintaining genome stability. The book discusses the discovery of long non-coding RNAs, lncRNAs, and their role in a variety of biological processes, including development and disease. One of the most fascinating aspects of the book is its exploration of the human microbiome, the vast collection of microbes that live on and within our bodies. Zimmer explains how these microbes can influence our health and disease risk, and how they interact with our genetic makeup. He discusses the role of the microbiome in conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and inflammatory bowel disease, as well as the potential for manipulating the microbiome through diet and probiotic therapies. Finally, the book addresses the ethical and social implications of genetic research, including issues of privacy, discrimination, and eugenics. Zimmer discusses the importance of responsible research practices and public education to ensure that the benefits of genetics are shared widely and equitably. He also emphasizes the need for international collaboration and open communication among scientists, policymakers, and the public to navigate the complex ethical and social challenges posed by genetic research. In conclusion, She Has Her Mother's Laugh is an engrossing and illuminating exploration of the human genome and its profound influence on our lives. Carl Zimmer expertly guides the reader through the complexities of genetics, from the basic principles of inheritance to the cutting-edge developments in genomics and CRISPR technology. The book is essential reading for anyone interested in understanding the science behind our uniqueness as individuals, as well as the ethical and social implications of that knowledge.